All right, this is a 2013 Kia Optima. Seen one really good video. The guy showing you how to get your bumper off, to get your headlights out. Of course, you got one 8mm coming here. You go through your inner fender, use one hand on the inside to push, use your other hand to pull. Yank those clips out. It's just a pull. Don't be too afraid. You got to put some intentionality with it. I'll say that. You got to be very intentional pulling these out. So the second part is this. I didn't really see any good explanation of these secondary clips. So these 3 clips here go into these clips on your bumper. All right? That's how it looks from top view. So what I did was I fished through here with a screwdriver and got leverage and pushed out. I'm gonna try and show y'all how I did that. All right, so I'm gonna put this back together just to take it back apart. Okay, that's how you put it together. Pull it apart one-handed. Sorry. Pull straight to you. From the back side. Sorry, I can use 2 hands for that last one. All right, so this is what it looked like once you get to this point. I still have everything hooked up on the bottom. I didn't take any of the underside off yet, so you can see the clip there. Light. I'm gonna get it, give me a second. All right, this is really tough trying to get this shot with this bumper in the way. But I have my screwdriver in that little slot and I'm using it as leverage. So, see my slot, and I'm getting, it's hard getting it set up with one hand. Now some people can just pull this out with their hand, but I don't want to break nothing. I want to make this an easy. But we're gonna get in the slot. Press. There it goes. Comes right out. Get right here. Use it as leverage. Once you finish, line it back up. Put your screw back in. Get your bumper off of your headlight swap.